this is Dr. Arshad from Technology, Dr. Arshad Gaming. So today we got this mouse, Logitech G502 HERO. So I ordered it from Computer Zone like 3 days ago, and I got it now. So total cost was 8,950 rupees, so almost 9,000. It cost me almost 9,000, and the payment method was cash on delivery. So let's just check it out, what we got inside. So as you can see, the seal is not broken now, but we are going to break the seal. Very sharp knees. Okay, so inside we can see that we got this box with plastic sponge rub around it, cover around it. So let's just put it on the side and let's just open this. It's Logitech G502 HERO. It is one of the Hero mouse. It is one of the real Hero. So let's just put it on the side. Okay. So put this plastic on the side, and we got this purchased receipt, which states that Logitech G5 HERO gaming mouse, shipping charge, everything. So this is the total bill, as you can see. Okay, so let's just put it on side. So this is the Logitech G502 HERO mouse. It is one of the top rated mouse in the world, gaming mouse, which many streamers are using, and I will be streaming on this mouse. So let's just open it, what we got inside. Okay, so guys, let's just see what we got inside the box. So it is the seal is not open, so let me just break this seal. Okay, so we have broken the seal now. So let me just open this. So this, and we got this, the mouse, and we got this, the logo, Logitech logo, and one manual, and box is empty now, so we will put this on the side. So we got this Logitech HERO card, and this logo. So here is the beast, the actual beast is here, the Logitech G502 HERO mouse. So wow. It feels so great. I mean, the grip first expression is so good. Yeah, seriously. Wow. Wow, my god. So we also got these weights. These are the weights inside. Let's just open it. Wow. So we got these weight box also. These are the weights with it. So yeah, the experience was very good. So let me just this is the one manual with it. This is the manual guide. This is the Chinese guide. I think who cares, but this is the actual mouse. Look at the wire. It has a high quality wiring with excellent clicking, as you can see. And wow, look at the wheel. Oh my god. If we press this, the wheel will go infinitely, as you can see. If we press this, the wheel will go like normally. Okay, we got here one button and here another button. Here is the sniping button, here is the DPI button, up and low. And we got excellent gripping here. Seriously, this is one of the best gaming mouse available currently now, Logitech G502 HERO. It is one of the best mouse in the world for gaming. So I will be streaming on this mouse, and please guys like and subscribe to my channel Tiknulini. I will be changing its name to Dr. Ashad Gaming most probably. So please do like my channel, and also I will be streaming different games. So also check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe. Take care until then. See you next time.